All right, we got a head cam video. We're in Fort Worth, Texas. Is this pointing at you? Or is it down? It's down. It's still down? How about now? All right. So we got a refrigerator removal double door, but everything fell apart here. We gotta put it right here. We just need this room.
Yeah.
So if we can move that up, that's fine. Move that box on top of this. Move this over there. You can. Okay. Yeah, what are you, dumb? You okay?
Yeah, all set.
You sure we're removing them from here?
Yeah, I am sure now. Where's that?
All right. I think that's it, man. Buddy-o. Okay, you're just going extra effort there. Hey, you want to move that over? Move that mattress over to your left?
This one over?
Yeah, why not? Oh, there we go. There's your room right there that you're looking for. Okay, now that can go back. All right, all right. Put the little plastic barrels on top. Put this over here. All right, let's get this fridge. Hey, grab those two things. I'll get the fridge. The little thing. Is this it right here? This one?
This is the one.
I accept Zelle, Venmo, Cash App, Bitcoin, Bullion, Pesos.
Well, let's do Venmo. That's easy enough.
Okay, tell me when you're ready. $817-707-2886. Fine. There it is. It's close. It's close. It's close.
817-707-2886.
You got it. You the man. All right. You gave me the money?
Just got a notification. Richard Fernandez, $45.
Who's that?
Huh?
Is that me?
I think so.
That is
Well, I
me.
hope so. Oh.
Yeah, that's me.
Oh.
Yeah, I forgot. All right.
Thank you so much.
Take it easy, boss.
Quick, so this is amazing.
Sir, we know what the hell we're doing, okay?
Apparently.
Take it easy, man.
Have a good day.
Yeah. Easy money. $45. Been mode. I'm gonna spend that money on crack. Head cam video of a refrigerator removal, showing you how to do it the right way.